learn effectively to empower ourselves and others.
Semester, I learned many important things. First, I gained knowledge about information communication and technology or ICT, the tool system that allow to create, store, and share information. I learned that ICT use online productivity tools such as Canva, Excel, Google Forms, Word Docs, PowerPoint presentation, and CapCut. The third that I learned in empowerment and technology is Netiquette. Focus on digital citizenship, I learned that being a good digital citizen means a respectful, responsible, and safe whenever we use internet. We should always think before we post and verify information, sharing it. This is very important. We live a digital age where fake news, online bullying can easily spread. I also learned about power of social media, not just entertainment, but a tool for advocacy empowerment. We can use Facebook to raise awareness, social issue, promote talents, inspire other positive ways. Technology helped me develop critical thinking, creativity. We had activities that required design digital poster, create presentation, even plan online campaigns. Through this, I learned technology is not only tool consumption but also platform creation and innovation that we learn in empowerment and technology.
Empowering technology taught me valuable lessons that go beyond just using computers to gadgets. It taught me how to use technology responsibly, creatively, and meaningful. I learned that empowerment means having ability to use digital tools to improve ourselves, help and others, and contribute positively to society. As I move forward, will contribute to apply what I learned by being responsible digital citizen, by using technology for learning and growth, and by inspiring others to use it for good. Once again, I'm Jericho Rivera, and that we learn I learn in empowerment and technology. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.